Systemic change begins with a global partnership. All began in 2008 when 3 multinational organizations, which together employ more than 250,000 people worldwide, came together with the university to figure out how to jointly and best support the acceleration of education transformation. And in 2009, Cisco, Intel, Microsoft, and the University of Melbourne formed the Assessment and Teaching of 21st Century Skills project. Each of our companies has a long history of supporting education initiatives and believe that as employers of tomorrow's talent, we share a common interest and responsibility in applying our collective resources to improve learning and education. Academia is a key partner, and ATC21S has been headquartered at the University of Melbourne, with Professor Patrick Griffin as Executive Director. In most important governments, the project includes the national governments from Australia, Costa Rica, Finland, the Netherlands, Singapore, and the United States, with cognitive labs, pilots, and national trials. And we have intergovernmental organizations as advisors, like the OECD, UNESCO, IEA, the Inter-American Development Bank, and the World Bank. And there are more than 250 researchers, teaching institutions, practitioners participating. A true public-private partnership in its best sense. Why did we focus on assessment and teaching? Assessments are the compass to guide us toward creating a new learning environment. Assessments are a baseline for setting academic standards, influence curricula at the local, regional, and national, as well as global level. And they generate a level of awareness that lends credibility and investment in bringing new methods of teaching to the classroom. Assessment must lead to conclusions, though. Conclusions, ways of teaching, learning, education policies, and regulations to prepare our young generation for the future. And why the focus on the 21st century skills in the classroom? Well, governments, employers, and universities today are noticing a lack of 21st century skills as students enter the workforce, social organizations, higher education, and research institutes. Collaborative problem solving and ICT digital literacy, 2 of the 21st century skills, are key marketplace tools to succeed and communicate locally and globally. A reason why the project picked those 2 representatively for the research and development of tasks, labs, pilots, and trials. It is also a requirement that students need to experience the same level of technology in the classroom as they do in their digitally wired lives. They need to be equipped with the skills to help them succeed in real lives in their careers. When looking at building the next generation of scientists or engineers, entrepreneurs, and leaders, governments need answers and solutions to the following: how to define the 21st century skills and learning progression so programs can be created that directly reach students to spur innovation, creativity, and learning of these skills. How do we help our teachers with innovative teaching and learning? What is the appropriate learning environment to teach 21st century skills and help students flourish? ATC21S is committed to make a contribution to those solutions.